This is Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the default phone dialer app. Then at the top right corner of your display, tap at these three vertical dots, go for settings. In here, simply turn on the caller ID and spam protection toggle, then agree at all the policy and terms that the Samsung provides you with. In here you can tap at the caller ID and spam protection section like that, and even further change your preferences. For example, you can turn on the block spam and scam calls toggle, and in here choose whether you would like to block all suspected spam calls or only high risk ones. I'll go with I'll crank my spam filter all the way up, and well, that will be more or less it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.